This is Coral Beach in Mahabalipuram. It's really nice property of 10 acres. They have villa options. Also have normal hotel rooms. Breakfast was really great. It was really with wide varieties. We really enjoyed our stay here. They are also disability friendly. You can see this buggies. They are there to port you around. This is way to beach from the property. It's really nice. I suggest you come in the early morning so you can enjoy the sunrise, or in the evening we can see the sunset. They also have a spa, it's a evergreen spa, so you can avail the service if you are tired.
And there's also
And this is the lawn,
there's
still
also
lawn,
two
so
buggies are there now. There's yellow.
kids can play out here.
Kids can play out there. Daddy. Kids can play out there.
Right, yes. And then we also have this badminton court, or you can use for anything like volleyball or whatever. There's no demarcation as such. These are again villa stays. Some of the villas are really good. You'll get a private swimming pool within villa itself. Then there's a kids play area out here, so your kids can enjoy playing games. Then they have a nice swimming pool. So there's two swimming pool, one for kids, one for adults. This is the spa I was talking earlier. It's attached to the swimming pool, so if you're tired, you can use this facility. There are many hammocks put in outside in the garden area, so you can whenever you want, you can relax, read books. This is the pathway. It's really beautiful. It's really worth if you want to come down, so stay for 2 days. Or you can even, we saw a wedding happening last night. So people are using this as a wedding destination also. Attached to beach, they have podium where you can make your mandap for marriage. See, one more buggy is coming. Wait, Ashwik, come to reception. Ashwik, come. This is the reception area. They're going out there. So these are the rooms you can see. They're mostly 2 floors. So you can get apartment in all the rooms in any of the floor. This waiting area and the reception. So check-in time is 3 o'clock, so just be aware if you are coming out here. This is entrance from where you come, you can park your car out there. This is the restaurant where you can have breakfast. This is the restaurant Oasis. So they give a really nice breakfast with wide varieties. And then you can also have a dinner out here. So, and there's also another restaurant next to the beach. There also you can enjoy. That's it for today. Thank you guys.